Alright guys, what's going on? Travis and Preston. And today I'm local, I'm in Virginia, doing another hike, doing my little fitness journey. Make sure you follow me on that. And so today we got some special guests in the building, or I say outdoors. We got Brian the Bearded Beast, we got my man Mike Gomes. So we out here right next to Great Falls. So I did Great Falls maybe a year or so ago, and that was pretty cool. But now I'm about to do Difficult Run, which is a moderate hike. I think it's about 5 miles total, something like that. So right now we're trying to get to the path of where Difficult Run starts. But it's literally a couple of minutes from the Great Falls entrance. So we're making our way through, right? So make sure you follow me on this. Let me know if you ever did this trail before. Got the nice little stream. All right, so you know what it is. We're gonna keep going. so along the path, you got these beautiful, beautiful sights along this creek. We actually saw two people that kind of sitting right there. Shout out to them, don't know them. But yeah, so we just stopped here. Like I said, we're not doing it for time, doing it to be healthy. Like I said, I'm starting my 60-day journey of trying to eat clean and stuff like that so your boy can get right. So make sure, I also want to give a shout out to Tempest, outside while melanated. I'm outside, baby, I'm outside. So we out here, just enjoying the day. It's a beautiful Saturday in Virginia. So my hopes and goals is to show you guys a lot of content in the DMV area, especially the state of Virginia. So make sure you be on the lookout for that, all right? So it's gonna be on my Instagram as well. Make sure you follow that. All the links are in the description, all right? So make sure that you like, subscribe, leave a comment, recommend, and share with your friends, all right? All right, so we kept straight because it says it leads to the Potomac, which I'm assuming that's it right there. But it kind of looks like a dead end, so we kind of went down this little path and goes nowhere. Obviously, you can keep walking, but my ass is not. Looks a little unsafe. So now we're going to track back to where we saw a sign that said Visitor Center and Ridge Trail, I believe. So now we're going to just kind of convert this hike to Ridge Trail. All right, so that was a dead end. So I guess the only option is to start walking back to the visitor center. That's one thing I would say, they need more signs out here. All right, guys, so we just came to another sign. It says Ridge Trail is this way, visitor center. That's back to, well, the Ridge Trail continues that way we just came. In the difficult run trail, which we kind of already did. This is a river trail, but I'm not sure which way y'all want to go.
River trail.
River trail?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so we're going to go river trail, guys. So when you get to this little fence, just kind of walk through it and let's go.